How to add Suggest Apps widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, to the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down, then tap on Widgets. And from here, scroll down, then tap on Suggest Apps. And from here, select a widget size. There are small one, medium widget size, and a large widget size. So drag and drop it onto your home screen, like so. You can also resize the widget by dragging on the handle at the corner. So this will make the widget wider or shorter, narrower. And that's it. Whenever you want to quickly access certain apps within the widget, just simply tap on it and it will quickly open the widget for the app for you. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.